Welcome to Not So Traumatizing Math. Let's talk mean, median, mode, and range. Mean is the average of all the numbers in the data set. So if my number was 1, 2, and 3, and I add those all up together, I would have 6. There's 3 total numbers in the data set, then I have to divide that by 3, which would just give me 2. So my average would be 2. Median is the number that's in the middle when you arrange all the numbers from least to greatest. So if I have 1, 2, and 3 again, 2 is going to be my middle number because it's in the middle there. Mode is the one that appears the most often, so it is the most common number. And if I had the data set here, I had 1, 1, 2, and 3. The most common number would be 1. Range is going to be the difference between my smallest number and my largest number. So in this case, if I had 1, 2, 3, and 4, I would do 4 minus 1, which would just give me 3. Now let's look at an example. These are the test scores from a random class, not a real class here. Let's just look at some different steps I can do to solve all these. So the first thing I like to do is I like to order them from least to greatest. So I'm going to go ahead and check them off as I go. So 71, 83, 87, 98, another 98, I have a 99, and a 100. So now that I've ordered them from least to greatest, it's pretty easy to find a couple ones here without doing any actual math. The first one is the median. So the median is just finding a number in the middle. Since I have 7 total numbers, if I just count 4 in, I'd find what my median is. So 1, 2, 3, 4, I see it's 98, and I got 3 more on this side, so I know that 98 would have to be my median. So median is 98. Next, I can find my mode pretty easily just by identifying it here. So mode is going to be the one that appears the most often. And if I look back at my data set here, I got 171, 183, 187, 298s, 199, 100. Since I have 298s, I know that 98 is going to be my mode. Next, I think I can find my mean. And my mean, I'm going to do that by adding up all these numbers together here. So I'm going to add the 71 plus 83 plus 87 plus 98 plus 98 plus 99 plus 100, and that is going to give me 636. Once I know that 636, I can divide it by the total number in the data set, which in this case, it is 7. When I divide it by 7, I get 90.857, and then the decimal keeps on going on. I'm going to go ahead and round this up to 90 to the 10th place, so it's going to be 90.9. And last but not least, I'm going to find that range. And when I'm finding range, I'm just going to take the largest number minus the smallest number. And since everybody's in least to greatest, I know that 100 is my largest and 71 is my smallest. So if I do 100 minus 71, that is going to give me 29, and that's going to be my range. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to add to my numbers by subscribing. Now go out to divide and conquer.